Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel trainer.sendil. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Python and install in your machine, then how to run your first program. So for that, open your browser and type python.org, then go to download section, select options based on your operating system. So as I am using Windows operating system, I'm going to click Windows. Then I'm going to download a Python 3.x version. So here I have two options. One is web-based installer and another one is executable installer. So if it is a web-based installer, the size of the download file is very small, but you require an active internet connection to install this Python. On the other hand, I have executable installer where the complete set of files is downloaded and I am able to install the Python without any internet connection. So if you install or if you download the web-based installer, then you require an active internet connection. If you select executable installer, then you can keep that file on the backup of your system and you can install the Python any number of times without internet connection. Again, here you have two options. One is x86 and another one is x86-64. So if your computer is 32-bit operating system, then select x86 executable installer. If your computer is based on 64-bit architecture, then select this option. To check that, go to My Computer, then right click your My Computer or this PC, then go to Properties. So here you will find a 64-bit operating system or 32-bit operating system, and my computer is a 64-bit operating system, so I am going to download a 64-bit version, that is this particular option, executable installer. So as I am already downloaded this file, simply click this open file, then you will be asked to press next button like this. Simply press a fresh installation. Since I already installed Python, this is asking for modify or repair. So simply I'm going to cancel it. And after installing, by clicking the next button, go to your all apps, then find Python IDLE. So inside the Python folder, you will find IDLE. Click this. So here you have a Python interpreter where you are able to run your Python program. So by default, this is opening in interactive mode where I am able to run only a single statement. Let me type a first statement, print welcome to Python interactive mode. So once if I close this bracket and after semicolon if I press enter, then it will immediately display the result. Since I have forgot to close the double quotes, it is displaying me an error. So once again I type this. Print open bracket, since it is a string I need to use double quotes. So welcome to Python programming. So this time I'm going to correctly type the code and it is going to simply run my code. Welcome to Python programming. So this is called as line by line interpretation or interactive mode. So if I want to type a 50 or 100 line of code and I want to execute all the instructions at one go, then I need to enter into script mode. So to enter into script mode, simply click File, New File, then type your code here. So print, this is my line 1, then again print, this is my line 2. Yes, so I'm going to save this file, my Python. I'm going to press enter. So after doing this, I'm going to run, then run model, or otherwise you can press F5. So now you can see this is my line 1 is printed and this is my line 2 is printed. So these are all the two modes available for you to execute your Python program. So thank you for watching this video. bye.